So this is US oil analysis for Friday, 26th of January. Now, let's have a look what our prices and where they may likely go. So previously on the 25th. So previously, as we can see, prices pulled. We found support in around the 63, 67. We've had a move up to 64.76. Brief pullback, built up some momentum, broke out to the upside. Pretty much cleared the 65.60. Beyond 65.60, we've had a pullback, not a retest of the 65.60 level. We've had a move upwards. We didn't quite get up to 66.71. We traded as high as let's just have a quick look here. We traded as high as 66.63. So about 8 or so cents away, 8 or so points away from this 66.71. We did see the sell side momentum coming back into the market, into this, and we seem to have found support in around $65 a barrel mark, where we did have a bit of consolidation there, as indicated by this bearish candle. This candle might just be a news related candle just here, but I'm not sure. But as we can see, we came down towards a $65 barrel mark. Not quite down to 64.76, but in around $65 barrel mark, we do appear to be catching a bit of moment. So if we do see the further upside momentum, we'll see our price direct towards 65.60, where we do see some sell side momentum re-enter the market for price to head back down towards that 64.76, a break from which we'll see our price direct towards that 200 period moving average. 200 period moving average would likely be sitting in around the 64.40, 64.30 or so. A break from there, we're looking to see prices head back down towards that 63.76. If, however, we do see that upside break, overall the trend on both the hourly and the high time frames, the weekly, daily and the monthly, are to the upside. So there is a directional bias to the upside on the US oil. So if we do see that break above 65.60, we'll be looking for prices to go on for a true test of the 66.71. If we do break above the 66.71, we are looking for prices to head up towards the 68.19. 68.19 is the very next level that we are looking at beyond the 66.71. We're just going to have a brief look at the weekly time frame just to see how prices are developing on this weekly. Because it is Friday, we have to be aware that there may be profit taking here on Friday. So hold on a second here. Let's just get these charts correct. Nope, wrong chart. Sorry about this. Let's just make sure I get these charts correct. Here we are. And what I meant to do was click auto. There we are. And yeah, as we can see here on this weekly chart, again, we had a consolidation. We've had a breakout, pullback, upside continuation. So we pulled back quite a bit off our highs in around that 66.71. But overall, we are posting another bullish week in this very strong uptrend that we have seen in oil so far. There aren't any moving averages of note that we have to successfully navigate. So overall, we'll see whether we do see further profit taking on Friday for further downside in US oil. But overall, there is a directional bias to the upside, and there are quite a few levels of support here on oil. So we've mentioned levels to the upside that we are looking at, as well as the levels to the downside that we are looking at as well. So with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.